Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add location on Facebook posts. So here I've already on my Facebook post, and let's say that I want to write something on my Facebook page. I want to update a post, so just click on the what's on your mind on a Facebook homepage, and here I'm going to just click, whoops, I'm just going to type in, okay, friends. So you need to adjust the default audience first. So hi, how are you today, everyone? Let's say, okay, I'm going to add some emoji, and then after that I want to add a location. So what you guys need to do is click on like a maps point at the bottom icon, so this one's right here, and then here you need to allow Facebook to access your location, so just click on allow, and you can choose whether you want to allow Facebook to access this device location while using the app, or only this time, or don't allow. Okay, so after that you can just choose the location of that you want, or that your current location. Just click on the locations, and after that the location will be added to your post, and then you can just click on post, and just like that your post and also your location has been added to your Facebook page. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.